Samsung often leads the charge with the big flagship phone releases each year, and 2024 was no exception with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Our reviewer hailed it as one of the best Android phones on the market. Typically, when major brands introduce new features, competitors quickly follow suit. However, even 6 months after the S24 Ultra's release, its display remains unmatched. I found the Gorilla Glass Armour on the front of Samsung's flagship to be exceptional for several reasons. First, its anti-reflective quality is genuinely impressive. This feature not only minimizes the disruption caused by bright direct lights on the screen, but also ensures the display remains visible without needing to be overly bright, even in increasing ambient light. When the display is off in standby mode, the difference in surface color is noticeable compared to any other phone I've reviewed. The S24 Ultra is much darker and bright light reflections are minimized. It's truly impressive. Coupled with a pin-sharp Quad HD panel, vibrant colors, excellent contrast, and very high peak brightness, it stands as the best display on any smartphone to date. This year's tech buzzword is AI, and Samsung contributed to that with its suite of intelligent features integrated into its phone software, branded as Galaxy AI. With the Galaxy S24 Ultra, you'll enjoy long-term software support, potentially for 7 to 8 years if the phone remains in good condition. While Samsung's cameras aren't perfect, the combination of lenses on the S24 Ultra makes it one of the best camera phones for most conditions. Aggressive HDR balances contrasting light conditions and evens out highlights and shadows, while color saturation ensures images have a bit of pop, though the colors are more subdued than in previous years. The key is the camera's consistency. You can easily switch between focal lengths and trust that the photos will be reliable across all sensors and lenses. Ultimately, considering the entire experience of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, I believe it offers the best balance of everything, from display to software support, build quality, durability, cameras, and performance. You might find a phone that excels in one particular area, such as camera performance, software cleanliness, or raw performance, but none that harmonizes all aspects quite as well as this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.